how to connect Supabase to Vercel. Open up Supabase, click on your profile icon in the top right, and then go to all projects. Now select the project which you want to connect to Vercel, and then here we will click on the project itself yet again. Now from the left hand side, scroll down until you see project settings, click on project settings, then integrations, and right here if you scroll down you will see Vercel integration. You want to click on install Vercel integration, and it's gonna look like this. Now we will click on install and then choose link existing Supabase account and click on continue. Here we will select a team, so click on it to expand it and choose whichever team you want to connect to, and we will click on connect account. Now it is going to ask us for confirmation, so we will just click on install integration right here, and this is going to load up all of your projects, and you can choose what project or which project you want to link to whatever. So we will click on connect project, and just like that, now it is going to be completing the installation and it is going to be connected. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.